A family checked their doorbell camera footage and left their home that very night. Every night at 3:47 a.m., the camera activated by itself. At first, nothing, just an empty porch. But on the third night, someone was standing there, completely still, staring directly into the camera. They reviewed older footage. That same figure had been visiting every single night, for weeks, always at 3:47, always watching. But what terrified them most, in each recording, the figure was getting closer, one step closer every night, until the final footage, when they noticed something impossible. The camera captured the figure raising its hand and knocking. But when they checked, the knocking sound came from inside their house. The figure had been behind the camera the entire time.